Hello students, in continuation with the last class, we are solving practice set 1.2. So the question is, complete the following table to draw graph of equation. मैंने आपको बताया है कि this question will be asked for 1 mark. Okay, तो question is x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, तो हमें इसमें क्या करना है? We need to find out the ordered pairs. Okay, so what is the equation? X plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so in this table, see, x is equal to 3 is given, and see, there is no need to find out the value of y, right? Because in ordered pair it is given as 3 comma 0. So what is the value of y? It will be 0, right? And in this the value of y is given right now. So what will be the x? From this one the x will be equal to 3 minus y, right? And what is the value of y is given? Y is equal to 5. So you will get 3 minus 5. So that is minus 2. So here it will be minus 2. Then what will be the ordered pair? It will be minus 2 comma 5. See here, what is in the ordered pair? X is given as 0. So no need to solve for x. I will directly put here 0. Okay. So this question will be asked for 1 mark. Okay. See, in this equation x minus y is equal to 4 and y is given as 0. So then what will be the value of x? X will be equal to what? It is 4 plus y. Okay. If I put y equal to 0, what will be the value of x? X will be equal to 4. And here it will come 4 comma 0. Right? X is given as minus 1. Okay. See, from this equation, what will be the y? Y will be equal to, it is x minus 4. Right? X minus 4. If I put x is equal to minus 1, y will be equal to what? It is minus 5. So I will write here minus 5. And what will be the ordered pair? It is minus 1 comma minus 5. Okay, and here everything is given. Okay, so we will next move to the next topic. See, मैंने आपको एक पॉइंट नहीं बताया था. if it is given y is equal to 2. Okay, हमें क्या प्लॉट करना है? प्लॉट y is equal to 2, right? Y is equal to 2 प्लॉट करना है. Can I write this equation 0 into x plus y is equal to 2? Now suppose I will take the any value of x, right? Now if I take x is equal to 1, okay, 1 into 0 is what? It is 0. So what will be the value of y? At that moment y is equal to 2, right? If I take x is equal to 2, again I will get y as 2, okay? So for 3 also I will get 2, okay? Means if I take any value of x, I will get y is equal to 2. So what will be its graph? See here. If I take any value of x, okay, this is the value of x. If I take any value of x, what will be the y? Y will be equal to 2. So this is 2, right now? So this is y equal to 2. Okay. So this is the line which represents y is equal to 2. See. यहाँ पे मतलब y is equal to 2 मिल रहा है हमें. तो this line is equal to what? This line is parallel to the x axis. Means पेपर में क्या पूछा जाता है? For y is equal to 2, the graph of the line is, for y equal to 2, the graph of line is, okay, यहाँ पे fill in the blank, to x axis. It is what? What will be the answer? It is parallel to x axis, right now? It is parallel to x axis and perpendicular to the y axis. Similarly, ये ग्राफ किसका है? This is for y equal to 2. Okay. फिर y equal to minus 3. If I ask you to plot the graph for y is equal to minus 3, वो कहाँ रहेगा? This is the graph for y equal to minus 3. Similarly, अगर मुझे find out करना है for x is equal to 2. Okay. So this is what? This is for x is equal to 2. Right now, for any value of y, I will get x as 2. See. So this is for x is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2 का graph, it is parallel to y axis, right? X is equal to 2 is what? Parallel to y axis and it is perpendicular to the x axis. And this is for x is equal to minus 2, which is passed to the minus 2. Okay, this is for x is equal to minus 2. Okay. And the next concept is what? Solving the linear simultaneous equation using the graphical method. Okay, we have solved one problem for this topic. We will take the next problem. This is from practice set 1.2. See here. The question is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. I will call this as equation number 1 and I will call this as equation number 2. Okay. So then 3x is equal to what? 3x equal to minus 7 plus 4y, or I can write 3x plus 7 is equal to 4y. Okay, then 3x plus 7 divided by 4 is equal to y. So I have to put the corresponding value of x to get the value of y, and then after that I will get the ordered pair. Okay, so I will make a table x y. See, अभी if I take the value of x is equal to 0, right? अभी हमने अगर x is equal to 0 लिया, so ये क्या हो जाएगा? For x is equal to 0, it will become 3 into 0 plus 7 by 4. So it is 7 by 4. 7 by 4, it will be difficult to plot on the graph. Okay, हम कर सकते हैं, but it will be difficult. Okay, so हम x की value ऐसी choose करेंगे so that it should be perfectly divided by 4. Okay, so now if I take, see, यहाँ पे अगर 7 minus 3 हो रहा है, so 7 minus 3 what? It is 4. 4 divided by 4, I will get the 1. So to get 4, what I have to do? I have to subtract this 3. So means what? I have to take the value of x as 1. Okay, so I will write x is equal to minus 1. Right? For x is equal to minus 1. Okay, then it will be 3 minus 1 plus 7 divided by 4. Okay, so which will be equal to, it is 4 by 4 and which will be equal to 1. Okay, so for x is equal to minus 1, y will be equal to what? 1. And what will be the pair? It is minus 1 comma 1. Okay, next value, see here, how to choose the values. See here, if I take here 4, okay, right, if I take 4, so 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 7. Okay, so this will not be the thing. Okay, so if I take 3, what I will get? 3 into 3 is what? 9, right? 9 plus 7 is what? 16. 16 divided by 4 is what? 4 I will get. So I will choose for x is equal to 3, right? So 3 into 3 plus 7 divided by 4. So which will be 16 divided by 4. So which is 4. Okay. So for x is equal to 3, I will get the value of y as 4 and the pair will be 3 comma 4. Okay. Now see, if I take x is equal to minus 5. If I take, so it is 3 minus 5 is what? It is minus 15 plus 7, right? Minus 15 plus 7. Okay, so which will be? It will be 8. Minus 8 by 4. Okay, so I will get as minus 2. Okay, so what is the value of x? I have taken minus 5 and the corresponding value of y is what? It is minus 2. So the pair will be minus 5 comma minus 2. Okay, so next what I will take? See, if I take 7, so 7 3s are 21, right? Now 7 3s are 21 for x is equal to 7. Okay, so it is 3 into 7 plus 7 divided by 4. Okay, so it is 7 3s are 21 plus 7 is 28 divided by 4. I will get 7. Okay, so for x is equal to 7, I will get value of y as 7. Okay, so this will be the pair. Okay, so then we have to plot this point on the graph. Okay, before that one we have solved another equation. What is the equation? It is 5x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Okay, so then x will be equal to what or y equal to what? We can choose y equal to, it is 5x divided by 2. Okay, so I have to take the value of x such that it should be perfectly divided by 2. So I need a even numbers, right? Because even numbers are perfectly divided by 2. So what first value I will take x is equal to 2. For x is equal to 2, y will become 5 into 2 divided by 2. So which will be 10 divided by 2, which will be 5. Okay, so for, I will make table here. This is, I will write here. For x comma y. For x is equal to 2. What is the value of y? Y is 5 and the pair is what? X comma y. So it will be 2 comma 5. Okay, next value what I will choose? I can take x is equal to minus 2, right? At that time what I will get? It is 5 into minus 2 divided by 2. What will be the answer? It will be minus 5. Okay, so x will be minus 2 at that time, minus 5. So it is minus 2 comma minus 5. Okay, then what we will do? I can choose 0 also. If I take x is equal to 0, what will be? 5 into 0 is 0. So at that time it is 0. Okay, then we can choose 3. We cannot choose because 5 3s are 15. We can choose 4. X is equal to 4. So y will be what? It is 5 into 4 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is what? 10. Okay. So for x is equal to 4, y will be equal to what? It is 10. Okay, so the pair will be here 0 comma 0 and here it is 4 comma 10. Okay, now I need to plot the graph for these points. Okay, so first of all, see here. See here, what are the points? For x is equal to minus 1, for x is equal to minus 1, what is the value of y? X is equal to minus 1, y will be equal to 1. So this is the point. This is minus 1 comma 1. Then it is 3 comma 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. This is 3 comma 4. I will write here. It is 3 comma 4. Then minus 5 comma minus 2. So this is minus 5 comma minus 2. Okay. Then it is 7 comma 7. Okay. So I will get here it is 7 and 7. So it is 7 7. So I will get this point. Okay. Now we need to draw a line for these points. Okay. It should be a straight line. So these are the points and I will get a straight line like this. Okay. Next, what is the equation for this line? This is 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7. Next is what? We need to plot the line for these points. Okay, it is 2 comma 5. The first point is it is 2 5. Okay, so this is 2 comma 5. Next is what? It is minus 2 minus 5. This is minus 2 minus 5. Okay, this is minus 2 minus 5. Then it is 0 comma 0. So this will be the point. And then 4 10. So it will be here. Okay, I need to plot a line. See, if you do with scale, then you will get a perfect line. Okay, so the line will be like this. Okay, and the point which join this is what? It is, see here I am getting at 1 and this is what? This is nearly 2.5. Okay, so what is the point? This point is 1 comma 2.5. Okay, and what is the solution for this one? The solution is where the two lines intersect. See, these two lines intersect as 1 comma 2.5. So therefore solution is, what is the solution? It is x comma y. It will be equal to what? It is 1 comma 2.5. Okay, so this is the answer for this one. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to write the equation. Then we have to find out the ordered pairs. For both the equation, we have to find the ordered pairs. Then according to the pair, we have to plot the line. Okay, after that, we have to find out where the two lines intersect. Okay, and where the two lines intersect, that point is the solution of the equation. Okay, so we'll take the next problem. Okay, I am taking the difficult problem from this exercise. Okay. So the next problem is, see, the next problem is, it is 2x minus 3y. This is the last problem from this exercise. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4 and it is 3y minus x